In this video, you will learn to manage and organize your Gmail inbox using a variety of methods. You will create and apply filters, block certain email addresses, archive messages, mute messages, and set up multiple inboxes and inbox tabs. Creating filters allows you to sort and organize your email messages. You can direct Gmail to automatically delete a message when it arrives or put it in a specific folder that you create. To begin creating a filter, return to your Gmail settings. Create filters based on criteria like who the message is from, who the recipient is, and the subject line. Then, designate a rule to tell Gmail what to do with the message. Your new filter will automatically apply to messages in your inbox, as well as any new messages that arrive. Delete the filter if you no longer need it. At times, you may want to block an address from emailing you. This is mostly true when you receive a spam message, which is an unsolicited message sent to a large number of recipients at the same time. From within the message, open the Options pane and block the email address. Check to make sure the address is blocked in Gmail settings. To keep your inbox manageably small, archive messages that can leave your inbox but you don't want to delete. Any messages you archive will be moved to a folder called All Mail. You can also archive a message when it is opened. After you archive a message, it returns to your inbox when someone replies to it. When you mute a message, any replies to the message stay out of your inbox and are automatically archived. You can also mute directly from the open message, similar to archiving. The message goes into the All Mail folder. Search for a muted conversation if you want to find it again. To organize your messages even more, set it up to sort your email into multiple inboxes based on categories. This separates out the promotional, social, and other email that you don't want mixed in with your primary inbox. Access each category from a separate tab in your Gmail inbox. In the next video, you will search for and sort messages in your inbox. Now it's your turn. Create and apply filters, block certain email addresses, archive messages, mute messages, and set up multiple inboxes and inbox tabs.